Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D collage video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select the 9:16 ratio. I'm just going to enlarge this a little bit, and I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. Then on the first video I'm just going to go to mask, and I'm going to select mirror, and I'm just going to place it, I guess, down here. So it kind of looks like she's out of the frame a little bit. I'm going to even make it more small to make it a little bit more, dramatic. And I'm just going to select both of them, and I'm just going to try to place it in the middle. Then I'm going to just add other videos underneath that. Let's just add this on top. So I might add in this one, for instance, underneath. I'm just going to enlarge it a little bit. And then I am going to add this one underneath as well, but on the top side here. Okay, maybe find another video because the colors are a little bit, too similar. Maybe this one. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!